for everyone to understand what I'm about to say to you. I say to you in English. United we stand, divided we fall. United we stand, divided we fall. This is the truth of it all.
Division was ordered, one land into islands. Confusion of foreign poverty received from foreign hands.
Yo, that sounds like our history. That's my history.
Division was ordered, one land into islands. Confusion of foreign poverty received from foreign hands. Opportunity beckons for islands to merge. Break down barriers, watch the land surge. In its natural richness, pure from the heart of its beautiful people, gifted with the art of market and trade, once forgotten, now new. African business, African business, be taught, be bought, be new. African business, be taught, be bought, be new. Focus your mind, Africa, on that which is yours. Thrive as an African, forgive foreign laws.
With all the past experiences that we've had.
What are you producing, Africa, that stands high above all? Sad statistics, the answer. Swallow hard, now reform. What does it mean being black in Africa? How do I beam while black in Africa? What responsibility do I hold to Africa? What responsibility do I owe to Africa? United we stand, divided we fall. That is the truth, Niazi, the truth of it all.
United we stand, divided we fall. Otherwise it's the same.
Victory beckons for islands to merge. Break down barriers, watch the land surge. In its natural richness, pure from the heart of its peaceful people, gifted from the start. Of its peaceful people, gifted from the start. Focus your mind, Africa, on that which is yours. Thrive as Africa. Forget foreign laws.
How?
Create systems and networks for African produce. And we will sell it on the net, channeling wealth to good use. We'll sell it on the net, channeling wealth to good use.
I like that.
Channeling our wealth to good use.
United we stand, divided we fall.
What does it mean being black in Africa? What do I mean I'm black, I'm African? What responsibilities do I hold to Africa?
Yes, please.
What responsibilities do I owe? Do I owe to Mama Africa?